Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel, and in this one we talk about how you can change the strap of the Apple Watch. If you don't know how it works, I'll quickly show you how to remove and attach the bands. So the first step is to take the watch off your wrist, so you can have it in your hand and remove the band. Then flip the Apple Watch so you don't see the display and so that you're looking at the back side of it where all the sensors are located. So you have the big circle in the middle and at the top and bottom. You have these small little buttons. These are really small because you don't want to be pressing them accidentally. You'll need to use your nail or something sharp to push on them. But while the button is pushed, the strap becomes free. So while you're pressing on the little button, you need to slide it out from its position. It doesn't matter which side you're sliding to as long as you remove it. You then need to repeat the same process for the other side of the strap as well. Once you have the band removed, you can then introduce the new one. It really depends on the band you're using, but no matter the material or design, they're all equipped with the same mechanism to lock them in place. When sliding the bands in, you don't need to press on the buttons anymore. You just slide it in. Also, the side you're sliding from doesn't matter either. You essentially want to put it back in place until you hear the clicking sound, confirming that it's securely mounted in place. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like on it to let me know. If any thoughts pop up in your head, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.